Children, I am repeating it. See how to prepare partner's capital account. When is it prepared? After treating all the topics which we have seen, say issues which we have seen. The treatment of goodwill. The gaining partner's capital accounts are debited and sacrificing partner's capital account is being credited. And revaluation profit, if any, is credited. If it is a loss, it is being debited in their whole ratio. Likewise, general reserve is being credited when they decide to close the accounts, and profit and loss account that appear on the asset side of the balance sheet. That means undivided loss, if any, is being debited in the whole profit sharing ratio. Likewise, any balance in the workman's compensation reserve after keeping the claim amount aside, and investment fluctuation reserve balance after transferring the required amount to investments, those are also being credited. And thereafter the credits minus debits of each partner is taken out, which is the balance carried down. Okay, good morning children. Now we are going to see how to prepare the partner's capital account after treating all those reserves and goodwill and sacrificing ratio, etc. Now here we have already seen in the first chapter, that is fundamentals chapter, how to prepare the partner's capital account under fluctuating method. Here taking the balances of all the three partners and the goodwill for the posting of goodwill. See, B's capital, suppose, so here B and C are gaining and A is sacrificing. By B's capital, by C's capital. So credited to A's account, and B and C's capital accounts are, so B and C's capitals are debited with the same amount. Okay, and then we have seen that the revaluation account. Just before this we have seen how to prepare revaluation account, and the revaluation profit is shared by all the partners in their whole profit sharing ratio. Here it is credited, and of course if it is a loss, it is being debited. Next, treatment of general reserve. So whatever general reserve is there, when the partners decide to close it, the same is being shared in whole ratio. Likewise, on the asset side, if any profit and loss account appears, that is undivided loss, that is also being debited to them in the profit sharing ratio. And if any workman's compensation reserve is there, that is also being shared. And if any investment fluctuation reserve is there, so if any balance is there after transferring the required amount to investments, the same is also being shared. At last, credits minus debits will give the balances of all these accounts. This is how to prepare partner's capital account. Of course, if the partners decide not to close the general reserve account, profit and loss account, in such a case, so again gaining partners capital accounts are debited, and the sacrificing partners capital is credited, and then balances are taken out. Here after this, one more topic is given in the problem, that is adjustment of capitals. This year the same topic is being deleted from the syllabus. You need not to go for preparation of capital accounts with adjusted capitals. Please note it. Okay. By this the chapter is over. We will see some problems relating to this preparation of partner's capital account also.